Here's the harsh truth. In 3 years, 99% of entrepreneurs will be replaced by one-person AI businesses. The bigger your team, the higher your burn, the slower your output, the more problems you have. But the smartest solopreneurs are going to use AI to create 10 times more output for 1/10 the cost while running their business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And this is gonna be a brutal math contrast when we start to see who is actually succeeding with this new one-person AI model. It's happening right now as we speak. It's already started. But most people don't even realize it. In fact, they think it's a threat. They think it as something that is going to happen far into the future where somehow robots are gonna take over. This is just not true. You can learn how to use this to your advantage today and come out ahead. Let me share with you the 4 pillars of this core AI solopreneur model so that you can get a glimpse into what this looks like. Number 1. Automate fulfillment. You can build software and services that used to take entire teams of people. And now you can do it all with a few prompts. Number 2. Use AI-generated content and sales. You no longer need to create everything yourself. There are tools that will write your copy, design your website, build your landing pages, generate images, videos, music, podcasts, literally anything you need. You can outsource it to an AI. Number 3. It's all scalable with zero team. Because it costs pennies to run these AIs, you can grow infinitely without having to hire anyone. And number 4. Infinite productivity. Since AI doesn't sleep, you can work 24/7 to produce results at lightning speed. Now, if you're a creator, here's how this looks in your world. Instead of recording every single video yourself, you could prompt a tool to write and edit your next viral video. Instead of spending months creating your own course, you could prompt a tool to build a 100% AI program, where students get taught and graded by AI entirely. Or instead of writing every single piece of copy on your website, you could prompt a tool to build an entire sales funnel from scratch. Or instead of manually posting on social media every single day, you could prompt a tool to manage your entire presence. The possibilities here are endless, but this is just scratching the surface. Let's go back in history for some context. When the printing press was invented, it disrupted handwritten books. Then the internet came along and disrupted newspapers. And then social media disrupted the internet. And now AI is disrupting social media. And the same thing is going to happen to your business. If you look at every single industry, every single niche, AI is going to automate away thousands of jobs and replace them with this one-person AI model. So there's really only two paths forward. You either figure out how to use AI to replace yourself, meaning you become the AI, or you'll be replaced by someone else who figures out how to use AI. So the question is, will you adapt or will you be replaced? And the best part about this is that anybody can do this. It doesn't matter who you are, where you live, how old you are, what skills you have, or what kind of business you want to build. All that matters is that you have the willingness to learn. And once you do, this is going to be the best opportunity of your life. If you're able to use this model correctly, you can replace a $100 million business with just one person. And to be clear, that one person would be you. Now, before we talk about exactly how to make this work for you, I just wanted to give you a quick demo to show you exactly what this looks like. As you can see, we have a chat workflow. We have an AI chatbot built on top of that. We have an AI copilot that writes our ads. We have AI image generation integrated inside of it. We have an AI video editor. We have AI generated sales copy, and the result is overnight revenue. And this is just one example of many. I know this might seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a real-world example from a creative agency. Back in January, one founder set out to build a business using this new model. His plan was to use ChatGPT to build a $100 chatbot template for agencies and sell it online for $97. Overnight, he makes $3 in profit per chatbot, and he starts getting hundreds of orders. After selling just 200 chatbots, he makes $600 in profit in less than 24 hours. And it took him maybe 5 hours to create the template in the first place. He made more money in those 5 hours than he did in his entire year working at the agency. And now he is scaling this business with ads and affiliates, and he has projected to hit 7 figures in less than 1 year with this one-person AI business. Here's another example. This is a coach who was making 6 figures per month. He decided to use AI to build a one-person business. He used ChatGPT to create a full program that was 100% AI automated. Students get taught by AI and graded by AI, and he sells access to this program for $97. Overnight, he makes $28 in profit, and he starts getting hundreds of students. After selling just 100 enrollments, he makes $560 in profit in less than 24 hours, and it took him maybe 5 hours to create the program in the first place. He made more money in those 5 hours than he did in his entire year as a coach. And now he is scaling this business with ads and affiliates. and he has projected to hit 7 figures in less than 1 year with this one-person AI business. Here's a third example. This is a solo dev who decided to build a SaaS product using this new model. Instead of building software the traditional way, he went to ChatGPT and prompted it to build a SaaS product around user reviews. Overnight, he gets a fully functional SaaS app built by AI. He has users signing up and paying for access, and he's generating revenue. And again, it took him just a few hours to prompt Chat to build this. Now he is scaling this business with ads and affiliates, and he has projected to hit 7 figures in less than 1 year with this one-person AI business. This is happening all around us, and it is going to continue to happen until every single business gets disrupted by this new model. Now the only question is, will you disrupt others or will you be disrupted yourself? If you want to survive and thrive in this new economy, you need to learn how to leverage this model, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that in just a second. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button because we are gonna be releasing a lot more information on this very soon. Exact prompts, workflows, ad scripts, everything you need to replicate these results. Now, are you ready? Let me show you the 5-step starter blueprint that will get you on the path to success with your own one-person AI business. Step 1 is identify your most repetitive function. You need to find the thing that takes up the most time in your business. For example, that might be writing emails or creating products or recording videos or doing outreach. Step 2 is choose your AI stack. There is tons of different tools out there that you can use, and it really doesn't matter which ones you use. What matters is that you get started. So choose whatever tool you feel most comfortable with. Step 3, build a one-page automation prototype. You're going to prompt the AI to build a simple version of your business. So for example, that might mean prompting Chat to build a basic sales funnel for your product or service. Then you can take that prompt and build it out into a fully functional business. Step 4, launch to a small group and iterate. Once you have your prototype built, you're going to test it out on a small group of people and get their feedback. Then you're going to iterate on that feedback and improve your business. Step 5, scale with ads and affiliates. Once you've gotten some traction, you're going to scale your business with paid advertising and affiliate marketing. And now you're on your way to building a one-person AI business. Now here's the vision. The future is solo plus AI. Will you be the solo or will you be the AI?